Looking for the best PC case without wasting time or money? Stick around, because we've ranked 5 top models all the way to our #1 pick, so you can find the perfect fit without the guesswork. Each one offers something unique, from airflow beasts to panoramic glass showcases. Don't forget to check the description for the latest product links. Let's jump in. At number 5, we have the Lian 011D Evo RGB. If you're into flashy setups with top-tier customization, the 011D Evo RGB definitely delivers that showpiece aesthetic. This massive dual-chamber case is designed for serious builders who care about both performance and looks. It comes with front and side tempered glass panels, giving you a completely seamless view of your components. The best part? You can remove the front support pillar for an uninterrupted view, so your GPU and RGB setup take center stage. This case has enough space for nearly any build. It supports large eATX motherboards, 420mm radiators, and GPUs up to 455mm long, meaning it's ready for high-end cooling and the latest powerful components. It even includes 2 L-shaped RGB strips at the top and bottom edges for that clean, glowing look that syncs beautifully with your lighting setup. Cable management is another big win here. The dual-layer clips and Velcro straps keep cables neat and organized, and the power supply bracket is cleverly extended by 15mm to give you extra space for cable routing. Plus, you can even flip the entire chassis to a reversed layout if you want to change your desk orientation. Overall, the 011D Evo RGB is an absolute showstopper for builders who prioritize aesthetics, customization, and interior visibility. It's not the most compact case and takes some planning to build in, but once you've got your setup running, it's one of the cleanest and most satisfying builds you can have on display. At number 4, we have the Fractal Design North. Now this one is for the builders who love a touch of sophistication. The Fractal Design North stands out immediately with its unique blend of modern performance and natural materials. The walnut wood front panels give it a warm, furniture-like feel, which is rare in PC cases. It's perfect if you want your setup to blend seamlessly into a stylish office or gaming room. Don't let the elegant design fool you. This case is all about airflow and function. It features open front ventilation with integrated mesh for excellent cooling, and comes pre-equipped with 240mm aspect PWM fans that move air efficiently and quietly. Inside, it supports ATX, micro ATX, and mini ATX motherboards, along with GPUs up to 355mm long or 300mm if you're using a 360mm front radiator. It even has 7 bridgeless expansion slots and flexible mounting options. The side-tempered glass panel gives you a clean view of your components, and the matte black interior helps make RGB lighting pop beautifully. Overall, the Fractal Design North is all about balance, great airflow, solid build quality, and standout aesthetics. It's the case for anyone who wants performance with a premium look that doesn't scream gamer. It's elegant, quiet, and refreshingly different in a sea of all-metal towers. At number 3, we have the Lian Lancool 207. If you're after top-tier airflow in a compact design, the Lancool 207 hits a sweet spot between cooling performance and versatility. It's an airflow-optimized mid-tower that manages to fit ATX components into a smaller frame without sacrificing performance. This case comes pre-installed with 4 fans, 2 massive 140mm RGB front fans, and 220mm PWM fans underneath the GPU. Together, they push a ton of air directly towards your components for exceptional cooling. Those front fans also feature infinity mirror lighting, giving you a sleek, futuristic vibe. One of the coolest design choices is the repositioned power supply. Instead of mounting it at the bottom, Lian placed it at the front with outward-facing connectors, which actually improves cable access and airflow. Plus, the large mesh panels at the front, top, and bottom ensure your system stays cool under heavy loads. Inside, there's plenty of space for big GPUs, up to 410mm, and you even get a pre-installed fully adjustable GPU anti-sag bracket to keep your card perfectly level. The cable management is clean and efficient, and building in this case feels intuitive. Overall, the Lancool 207 is all about airflow and functionality packed into a compact shell. It's ideal for builders who want strong cooling, RGB flair, and thoughtful engineering without breaking the bank or filling the entire desk. At number 2, we have the HYTE Y70. This one is an absolute head-turner. The HYTE Y70 brings a truly modern panoramic design that feels like a display piece as much as a computer case. With its triple-paneled tempered glass setup, you get an almost 360-degree view of your build, making it one of the most visually striking cases available. But it's not just about looks. The performance here is equally impressive. The Y70 supports serious cooling configurations, including up to a 360mm radiator on the side and additional fans at the bottom for what HYTE calls cold floor cooling. You can even sit thick radiators and larger fans without compromising space. It also comes with a premium PCIe 4.0 riser cable, letting you vertically mount your GPU for a clean, showcase look. The massive 4-slot vertical mount is perfect for today's beefy graphics cards. And HYTE didn't skimp on the build experience either. Everything from the toolless panels to the smart cable management system feels high-end and intuitive. Every corner of this case screams quality. From the floating storage sleds to the blue LED power switch, every tiny detail feels premium. Plus, you can pick from several sleek colorways to match your setup aesthetic. Overall, the HYTE Y70 is for those who want their PC to be the centerpiece of their setup. It's functional, beautiful, and incredibly well-engineered. Building inside it feels like a luxury experience, and once it's complete, you'll have a rig that turns heads instantly. And finally, at number 1, we have the NZXT H6 Flow RGB. If you want the best all-around PC case that nails performance, aesthetics, and usability, the H6 Flow RGB is the ultimate choice. This case delivers excellent airflow, striking design, and a build process that feels simple and rewarding. The H6 Flow's wraparound panoramic glass panels let you showcase your components beautifully, and the seamless edges make it look ultra-modern. Inside, the dual-chamber layout keeps cables and the power supply hidden for a clean, minimal look while improving thermal performance. It comes pre-installed with 320mm RGB fans positioned at an angle that optimizes airflow straight across your key components so you get great cooling right out of the box. The perforated top and side panels enhance airflow even further, while built-in dust filters help keep your rig clean over time. Cable management is another strong suit here. The wide cable channels and straps make it easy to route everything neatly, even for first-time builders. And the overall structure feels sturdy yet lightweight, giving you the best mix of build quality and convenience. Overall, the NZXT H6 Flow RGB is everything a modern case should be. Efficient, stylish, easy to work with, and ready to cool even the most demanding gaming systems. It's a perfect balance of form and function, making it our top pick for the best PC case you can get. So, that's it for our roundup of the best PC cases on the market. Whether you're chasing airflow, aesthetics, or build flexibility, one of these will fit your next setup perfectly. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more gear reviews, and check the description below for updated links to all the products mentioned. Thanks for watching.